Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh class. Welcome back to our English class. Okay, so for today, we have finished our topics. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do some revision from chapter 1 until the last chapter. So for today, we are going to do our revision on unit 2, which is Let's Play. So before we start our lesson today, I want you to watch the video first. Okay, enjoy.
Let's play. Student's Book, page 22. 1,
Kite. Kite.
2,
Doll. Doll.
3,
Monster. Monster.
4,
Plane. Plane.
5,
Computer game. Computer game.
6,
Train. Train.
7,
Car. Car.
8,
Ball. Ball.
9,
Bike. Bike.
10.
Go-kart.
So, I bet that you all have toys at your home. What is your favorite toys? My favorite toys is my doll. Not the Barbie doll, but the Ultraman doll. Okay, now let's focus back to our class. So for today, we're going to learn about some toys, the name of the toys in English. Let's focus to the first one, class. Okay, the first one here is kite. Do you know kite, guys? The one that we play with the winds. When the winds blow up the kite will fly high. So, how do we spell kite, guys? Okay, good. That's how we spell kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. The first one is kite. So now let's learn about the next toys. The second one is the girl's favorite. What is it, guys? Okay, correct. Barbie doll. But this one is what we call as doll. How do we spell doll, class? D-O-L-L. Okay, good. D-O-L-L. Doll. That's how we spell doll. The third toys, I bet some of you are afraid of these toys because it is not cute, but it is unique, and almost every person has this kind of toys at their home. What kind of toys is this? Monster. Okay, how do we spell monster? M-O-N-S-T-E-R. Monster. Okay, if you want to watch more monster, if you want to see more monster, you can watch the movie Monster Inc. This is the movie that I watched when I was a child back in the childhood days. Okay, this is my favorite movie, Monsters. The next one is this one. What is it, class? Plane. How do we spell plane? P-L-A-N-E. Plane. Some of you maybe have bought the real plane. The real plane to travel to other country. We travel to other country using plane. But some of us also have the toys plane. Okay, class? Let's proceed to the next toys. Okay, these toys. I bet all of you love these toys. Why? Because it is amazing toys. You can play multiple games. You can play online games. So everyone love these games. What is it? What is the toy? The toy is this. Computer games. Why do we love computer games? Because we also can play by online. We can play by our friends which is in other country. So how do we spell computer games? Okay, repeat it after me, class. C-O-M-P Computer games. That's how we spell computer games. The next toys is known as the longest toys. Why do we call it as the longest toys? Because it has a long body. Why? This is it. This is what we call as train. Yes, choo choo. Train, choo choo. How do we spell train? T-R-A-I-N. Train. But you have watched some of the cartoon? What cartoon is it? Thomas. Yes, Thomas and his friends. The train guys, the train cartoon that has been traveling around to meet his friends and help his friend which is in trouble. Thomas and his friends. Okay? Thomas and his friends. The next toy is car. This one, remote control car. How do we spell car? C-A-R. Car. That's how we spell car. Okay, very good class. Let's move to the next toy. Okay, for this toy, I bet all of you love to play it. You love to play it, whether with your friends, your siblings, or even with your family. What kind of toy is it? It is round and we used to kick it. Watermelon? No, watermelon is not a toy. Watermelon is a fruit. This one, this is a ball. Okay, how do we spell ball? B-A-L-L. Ball. That's how we spell ball. Okay, very good class. Now, let's see other toys. Okay, for this toy, we used to use it to ride with our friends. We used to ride it with our family also. It has 2 tires. What is it? You have one pink color. This one is what we call as bike. How do we spell bike, class? B-I-K-E. That's how we spell bike. What? You used to ride bike? When do you ride bike? At weekend with your family. Yes, we can ride bike with our families. We can make sure our body is healthy when we are doing physical activities. Okay, class? Okay. The last toy is my favorite. Why? Because it is very amazing. It is very fantastic toy. What is it, class? It is a go-kart. Have you played go-kart before this? No, you have never played go-kart. You should bring your family. You should ask your family to bring you to the go-kart place. It is very amusing. It is very fantastic toy. Okay, how do we spell go-kart? G-O-K-A-R-T. Go-kart. That's how we spell go-kart. Okay, class? Very good. Okay, class. So now let's continue to our second lesson. So, for this one is our grammar. Grammar focus. What you need to do is, you need to listen and repeat after me. Understand, class? Okay, the first question is, what is his name? The questions, it is asking, what is the boy's name? His name is Ben. Means, the name of the boy is Ben. A person is asking a question to the boy. The question is, what is the name of the boy? And the name of the boy is Ben. The second one is, how old is he? The second question is questioning the age of the person, the age of the boy. The answer is, he is 7, which means he is 7 years old. So, he is in year 1. The last question is, what is his favorite toy? Since we are learning about toys, so the question is asking the boy, what is the boy's favorite toy? So the answer is, his favorite toy is his ball, which means he has a lot of toys but the favorite toy of the boy is the ball, which means he likes to play ball. So the next grammar focus is what is her name? Her name is Lisa. How old is she? She is 7, which means she is same as Ben. They are both 7 years old. Okay, class? So, what is her favorite toy? Which means the favorite toy of Lisa. Right now we have learned about Ben. So, Ben's favorite toy is ball. So, Lisa's favorite toy. Her favorite toy is her doll. So, Lisa's favorite toy is her doll. So, class, there are some important notes. For this lesson that you need to remember. So, for the nouns, he and his must be used only for a boy. We only use he and his to ask questions for boy. She and her, we use it for a girl. Remember class, he and his for a boy, she and her for girl. Okay class, always know when to differentiate between a boy and a girl. Ready? Okay, let's proceed to our exercise. For the exercise, we are going to use the activity book. For those who didn't have your activity book, you can come to school to pick your book. But if you can't make it to school, you can print out the page that I have sent to you inside the file. So let's see the exercise. So for the exercise over here, what you need to do is you need to listen. You need to listen and you need to color the toys according to the color that I have choose. And you need to listen carefully the color that I have picked. So over here you can see that the bicycle have already been colored into grey. We have learned about color. Right? So the bicycle is grey. Now, so for the train is purple. Okay, got it class? The train is purple. Okay. And for the computer games, the computer game is yellow. The computer is yellow. For the go-kart here, what you need to do is you need to color the go-kart into red. How do we color the go-kart? You need to color the go-kart red. R-E-D. Red. Okay, for the car, you need to color the car blue. What is the color of the car? It is blue. Okay, last, the plane. What is the color of the plane? The color of the plane is green. Remember class? The color of the plane is green. So for the cardboard, you can color the cardboard any color that you want. But remember, the toys, you must color the toys according to the colors that I have picked just now. Okay, listen and color. Okay, got it class? Okay class, I'm gonna see you soon, very soon. So stay home, stay safe. Don't forget to do your homework. I will see you next week. Enjoy your class. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.